everybody. No questions. The President
to join other Asian leaders and 29th ASEAN summits and related summits. Take the opportunity to discuss national and international issues that impact on in all its forms, terrorism and extreme and violent extremism. Our neighbors in addressing transnational issues felt by every Filipino. All are at the heart of the ASEAN in addressing transnational issues. Salamat.
Bayan ko sa magnanakaw na tao. Madilim na kahapon, ikaw ang mag-aahon.